Well, hello everybody, and welcome to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And it is August 9th, 2020. I had to go over and, hey, you see somebody's legs over there? I bet you can't figure out how I'm doing that, right? I'm on this side of the camera, and I'm showing you my legs on that side of the camera. And I'm laughing over there, too. All right. What it is I have my neighbors over for a visit, and we're doing some exercise out at the exercise area. And we made a few things go ding, ding, ding. Once we heard the bell, the referee jumped in the ring and said, "Winner!" And then we gave up at the exercise. So anyway, we've been watching this TV show all about the Cajon Pass in California and all that kind of stuff. So pretty interesting stuff, but not really interesting as what I'm about to show you. The reason they're over here is because I told you I was going to do cooking, and there's one of my homemade pizzas. This just came out of the oven, getting ready to cut it up. We're going to eat it, and we've got sangria on the rocks to drink with it, so we're going to enjoy that. Now, I know YouTube has a new policy now, and unless I go over 7 or 8 minutes, I think it is, I don't get advertisements. So some of you regulars out there who are like the first ones to ring in as soon as I post, let me know if any advertisements show up on this. Now, if you're the first to show up, normally the advertisements haven't come in yet. So it takes about 5 minutes after I post for the advertisements to come in. So maybe the third or fourth people, you might see advertisements, you might not. I don't know if that's in effect yet now, but I did get a notice about it online. So we're going to cut this pizza up and start eating. And I'll do another video in about 1 minute, because that's when it'll all be gone. Just kidding. All right, so I just want to let you know that I am alive and kicking, and just been hot and miserable, and I've been doing some EFTY, E-F-T-Y. Those of you who have been around a while know that's earnings for the yearnings. And that's what buys me the stuff I need, because money's been tight with this COVID-19 thing. And they gave me one stimulus check, but I wasn't stimulated. I need more. I want to be really stimulated. Come on, stimulate me. Send me more money. All right, everybody. G-Bear reminded you, give me a thumbs up down there, please. And don't forget to subscribe down there. And when the subscription comes up, hit that little bell. Oh, by the way, subscriptions are free for right now. But those of you who don't subscribe tonight, I'm going to start charging. So you better get in on while it's free. Because if you don't get it while it's free, you're going to get charged for it. And I know where you are. All right. G-Bear signing off.